Are you looking to turn your passion for video creation into a source of income? Rumble.com offers a unique platform where you can upload your videos and get paid for views. Whether you are a seasoned content creator or just starting out, let's dive into how you can monetize your content and make money with Rumble. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Rumble.com and also how you can earn money with Rumble.com. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into rumble.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Rumble is a video sharing platform where creators can upload and share their content. Users can earn money through a revenue based on the number of views their video receives. It offers an alternative to larger platforms focusing on monetization opportunities. Rumble empowers creators to turn their passion into profit. So all you have to do right now is just click over sign up in the top right, or you can just click over sign in to find your account. I will click over sign up and I will find other page, which is this one. Here we have registered with Rumble. You have just to add your name, your username, your password. We type your password, then we have email address. We type your email address and you select your country. Then we have here the birthday, optional field, select the gender, refer. Then we have address and again address here if it's site, unit, floor, or etc. Then we have city, state, and province. Then we have the postal code. Also, we have here the phone number, and you click over here if you are agree to the terms and the privacy. You can just click over here and click over here and you read the terms and the privacy and you get started by clicking over register. Once you do that, you will find on your Gmail an email receive from Rumble. You have just to click here to activate your account and you can just copy this one and paste it on your browser and you get started by signing in, and then you will find this page. Your email has already been verified. You've just right now to come back to the home page and you click over sign in and you get started, because right now if you click over sign in firstly and you write your email address and your password, you will not find your account because you didn't sign up. That's why you have to come back right now and you click over sign in after following the steps. Then you will find this page as you can see. So after creating an account of Rumble, you can start uploading your videos by clicking to upload button. Fill in the necessary details like title, description, and text to enhance visibility. Choose your monetization options such as ad revenue, channel, or licensing. Engage with the community by commenting on others' videos and promoting your content on social media. Finally, use Rumble's analytics tools to track your performance and optimize your content strategy for better earnings. Alright? So now let's just clicking over here and you click over account options before clicking over upload video, because this option it's very important before. Right now we will find this page as you can see. You have just to come back to the top and you have just to add your full name, your street address, second street address, your city. Then you select your state and the state address or the province, postal code or zip code. Then select your country, and also we have here the option the phone, and we have here select the gender if is it male or if you are male or female. Then we have here the payment details. You have just to add your people, and then we have here the people email address and you click over update. Then we have here your email address, your password. Then we have the privacy. If you are here to my video earnings publicly, and we have also here hide my username from search results. Then also we have here enable my live streams to be read. Alright, and if you want to display the number of monthly subscribers on user profile, have just to select it if you want. I don't like this one and this one. I put only enable my live streams to be rated, show my video earnings publicly, and also here notification I will just put all list. For example, you have just to put whatever you want, then you click over update. Then we have also here user page display information such as profile picture. You have just to upload photo. Then we have backsplash picture, upload backsplash. And about description, you can just add a description to your user for profile. Then about socials, we have here Facebook, X, Instagram, Truth Social, and we have here URL. Right, then you click over update. Then we have your political donation info. You have just to add your first name and the last name. Then we have the email address, mail and address, city, and then we have here the state, zip code, your country. Then you select employer and occupation. Then you have just to click over here if you are agree to your terms and conditions, and then you click over update. All right, Right now, let's just discovering other things. Like here we have, if we scroll down, we'll find the option of earning. So about this one, we have three options. Let's just discover it. What is it? The first one, which is transactions, we have here the processed and the pending. And about the processed, we have here processed and pending. Then about pending, we have a date, amount, currency, and description. And also we have an export CSV report, right? Then also about earning, we have payment. About payment, you'll find this page. We have monthly, start of month, earnings and adjustment, and you'll find here payments, end of month, and we have also here the total, as you can see. All right, right now we have the last one, which is referrals. About this one, it's very important because we have here the states, because for example, register page impression and referrals. Then we have commission earnings as well, which says fee or GSON. Then we have here URL. You have just to share this link with your friends on your social media. Then you get started with rumble.com. All right. So once someone click over this link, you will find your account. They will find your account. Sorry, and you have just to upload your video, because if someone click over this link and find your account, he will find your video and he start watching your videos, and you will earn money after receiving views on your video. All right, so this is for earning. And right now let's just come back and I will show you how you can upload video, because finding your account without finding a video, you'll not make money. All right, so I will just click over upload video and you will find other page, which is this one, and you have just to upload, share and license your videos by clicking over here, and you will find here videos and you upload it. All right, then we have here video information. You have just to add your video title, video description, the categories, and we have also secondary category. Then we have the video thumbnails, tags, and about visibility, you can make it public, listed, private, scheduled. Then you click over upload and you get started. By the way, we have here the maximum file size, which is 15 GB. All right, right now let's move on to the go live. Right now you have just to click over go live and you will find here swap a new live stream. You have just to follow the steps. The first one, which is go to rumble.com or click set up new live stream button above. Then the second step, which is upload the placeholder video up to 120 seconds length, which will be looped before the stream starts. Then we have the third step. Once the placeholder is uploaded, we'll provide you with a streamer configuration that consists of a stream URL. Then the last one, which is enter the configuration in your streaming software. All right, then you have just to click over set up on your live stream and you get started. Also, we have the option of Rumble Studio. About this one, you'll find just some information about Rumble Studio and how it works, and you can just read this information to more understand. So this is how it works with Rumble. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. I'll see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.